Today I'm making my grilled chicken paillard with Greek salad. I grilled the lemon and the red onion. I'll show you how. I have 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I've already pounded out 3 of them. I'm gonna finish by pounding out the 4th one. And I'm doing this because it makes them obviously thinner, and they cook evenly and they cook faster. Meat mallet, or you can use a rolling pin. Make some noise! I don't know why, but I clench my teeth when I do this. I feel like, So that's done. Place it back on the plate. And then I'm just gonna drizzle a little oil over all of them. Chicken breast obviously doesn't have a lot of fat on it, so I just wanna make sure there's enough oil that it doesn't stick on the grill. And then sprinkle with salt and pepper. Make sure to get both sides. I'll give them a little flip. So my chicken is ready. I'm gonna set it aside for just a second while I prep my red onion. You wanna cut through the root end. And you're doing that so it doesn't fall through the grates. It kind of holds it together when we grill it. And then again, so you quarter it. I'm gonna peel back the skin. I like grilling onion because it imparts obviously a smoky flavor, but it also makes it a little sweet. All right, my grill is up to heat. I'm gonna start by putting the chicken on, as well as my red onion. This should cook about the same time. When your chicken's ready to flip, your onion should be ready to flip as well. While that cooks, I have my cherry tomatoes already halved, and I have some kalamata olives. So I'm just gonna roughly chop these. This is my version of a Greek salad. I feel like I'm dancing the whole time I'm doing this. It just makes me very happy. So I'm gonna set those aside. I'm gonna have my lemon. If you've never grilled citrus before, it just adds another layer of flavor. I have some arugula and some basil, just wild arugula. To the bowl, I'll add all of my olives and my halved cherry tomatoes. These are heirloom, so you have some yellow, some orange, some purple. And then before I get my hands all feta-y, some oregano and some basil as well. I have 4 ounces of feta cheese that I'm gonna crumble in. Just creamy and salty. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper to the bowl as well. And I'm actually gonna make the dressing in here. I think my chicken's ready to flip. Nice and charred. And I'm gonna add my lemon at this point as well. So my salad is ready. My veggies and chicken are grilling. I'm gonna come off, slice it up, and assemble this baby. Start with my chicken, beautifully grilled. And my red onions, so pretty. And then my grilled lemon. This is why I love grilling, because it transforms the flavor to something that you just can't get any other way. Grilling, brought to you by Megan Mitchell. Like that was a PSA. Cut off the root ends of the red onion, and then just roughly chop it. It is hot, so be careful. So I'm gonna add the onion, and then I'm going to juice the lemons over. And then I'm going to toss this before I cut up my chicken. Give a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Colors are so pretty. I'm gonna cut up some of this chicken as well. Just thinly slice it. Looking good. Squeeze the other lemon over the chicken. And there you go, so easy and so simple. My grilled chicken paillard with Greek salad. It's healthy and delicious.